Learn English to Khmer future tense. I will be to they will be in.
Khmer.
Welcome to tomorrow. Hey, you're about to learn how to talk about the future in Khmer without sounding like a confused time traveler. Good news. Even if you do sound like a confused time traveler, that is still excellent practice. Today you will learn these powerful future phrases. I will be, you will be, he will be, she will be, it will be, we will be, and they will be. In Khmer, listen for these forms.
ខ្ញុំនឹងជា
For I will be.
អ្នកនឹងជា
And also.
អ្នកនឹងក្លាយជា
For you will be.
គាត់នឹងជា
For he will be.
នាងនឹងក្លាយជា
For she will be.
វានឹងជា
For it will be.
យើងនឹងជា
For we will be, and.
ពួកគេនឹងជា
For they will be. Say them like you are making dramatic predictions in a low-budget movie trailer. Your learning goal today. Your mission is simple. Hear the pattern, repeat the pattern, and enjoy the pattern. If a crystal ball appears, that is optional. Notice the future marker in many of these phrases.
នឹង
Or.
នឹង
It helps signal the future. For example.
ខ្ញុំ
Means I, so.
ខ្ញុំនឹងជា
Means I will be.
អ្នក
Means you, so.
អ្នកនឹងជា
Means you will be. You may also hear.
អ្នកនឹងក្លាយជា
Which gives a sense of becoming.
គាត់
Gives us.
គាត់នឹងជា
He will be.
នាង
Gives us.
នាងនឹងក្លាយជា
She will be.
វា
Gives us.
វានឹងជា
It will be.
យើង
Gives us.
យើងនឹងជា
We will be.
ពួកគេ
Gives us.
ពួកគេនឹងជា
They will be. Mini story. The fortune cookie disaster. Let's learn with a ridiculous story, because your brain loves nonsense almost as much as snacks. Listen and picture every scene. You open a fortune cookie. Instead of a normal message, it says, tomorrow.
ខ្ញុំនឹងជា
A genius. You look at the next cookie. It says, relax.
អ្នកនឹងជា
Fine. Then your friend opens one and reads, wow.
គាត់នឹងជា
Famous. A girl at the next table gets, one day.
នាងនឹងក្លាយជា
A star. Then the restaurant lights flicker. The waiter whispers, do not panic.
វានឹងជា
Okay. The whole table cheers and shouts, together.
យើងនឹងជា
Legends. Outside, a crowd gathers and the final cookie announces, soon.
ពួកគេនឹងជា
Our audience. Congratulations. You have survived the prophetic bakery. Useful sentences you can borrow. Now take these ready-made sentences and steal them politely for your own Khmer practice. Language theft for educational purposes is allowed. Tomorrow, I will be ready. In Khmer.
ស្អែកខ្ញុំនឹងជារួចរាល់
One day, I will be a teacher. In Khmer.
ថ្ងៃមួយខ្ញុំនឹងជាគ្រូ
Tomorrow, you will be ready. In Khmer.
អ្នកនឹងជារួចរាល់ថ្ងៃស្អែក
One day, you will be a teacher. In Khmer.
ថ្ងៃមួយអ្នកនឹងក្លាយជាគ្រូបង្រៀន
He will be ready tomorrow. In Khmer.
គាត់នឹងជារួចរាល់នៅថ្ងៃស្អែក
One day, he will be famous. In Khmer.
ថ្ងៃមួយគាត់នឹងជាល្បី
Tomorrow, she will be the team leader. In Khmer.
ថ្ងៃស្អែកនាងនឹងក្លាយជាមេក្រុម
One day, she will be famous. In Khmer.
ថ្ងៃមួយនាងនឹងក្លាយជាមនុស្សល្បី
It will be fine tomorrow. In Khmer.
វានឹងជាល្អនៅថ្ងៃស្អែក
It will be difficult at first. In Khmer.
វានឹងជាពិបាកនៅដំបូង
Tomorrow, we will be ready. In Khmer.
ស្អែកយើងនឹងជារួចរាល់
One day, we will be together again. In Khmer.
ថ្ងៃមួយយើងនឹងជាជាមួយគ្នាម្ដងទៀត
Tomorrow, they will be ready. In Khmer.
ថ្ងៃស្អែកពួកគេនឹងជាមនុស្សដែលត្រៀមរួចរាល់
In the future, they will be leaders. In Khmer.
នៅពេលអនាគតពួកគេនឹងជាអ្នកដឹកនាំ
Repeat after me. Time to train your mouth, your ears, and your inner dramatic narrator. Repeat each Khmer phrase after the pause. I will be.
ខ្ញុំនឹងជា
You will be.
អ្នកនឹងជា
You will be, with a becoming sense.
អ្នកនឹងក្លាយជា
He will be.
គាត់នឹងជា
She will be.
នាងនឹងក្លាយជា
It will be.
វានឹងជា
We will be.
យើងនឹងជា
They will be.
ពួកគេនឹងជា
Tiny dialogue theater. Here comes a mini dialogue section. Please imagine overacting. The grammar deserves applause. A. What about your future? B.
ខ្ញុំនឹងជា
Strong. A. Will I succeed? B. Yes.
អ្នកនឹងជា
Amazing. A. What about him next year? B.
គាត់នឹងជា
A teacher. A. What about her future? B.
នាងនឹងក្លាយជា
A doctor. A. Is tomorrow going to be okay? B. Yes.
វានឹងជា
Better. A. Will we be ready? B. Yes.
យើងនឹងជា
Ready soon. A. What about the students in 10 years? B.
ពួកគេនឹងជា
Leaders. Quick quiz, no crystal ball. Let's see what's stuck in your brain. If you get one wrong, the future still loves you. How do you say I will be in Khmer?
ខ្ញុំនឹងជា
How do you say you will be in Khmer?
អ្នកនឹងជា
What longer phrase can also mean you will be, with the feeling of becoming?
អ្នកនឹងក្លាយជា
How do you say he will be?
គាត់នឹងជា
How do you say she will be?
នាងនឹងក្លាយជា
How do you say it will be?
វានឹងជា
How do you say we will be?
យើងនឹងជា
How do you say they will be?
ពួកគេនឹងជា
Memory tricks that actually help. Here are a few sticky memory tricks, and yes, they are a little silly on purpose. Silly is surprisingly efficient. 4.
ខ្ញុំនឹងជា
Point at yourself and then point forward. You plus future equals I will be. 4.
អ្នកនឹងជា
Imagine a coach pointing at you and saying, you will be great. 4.
អ្នកនឹងក្លាយជា
Picture yourself transforming into a superhero, but one who still has to study vocabulary. 4.
គាត់នឹងជា
Imagine a boy on a stage under a spotlight. 4.
នាងនឹងក្លាយជា
Picture a girl stepping into the future like she owns the soundtrack. 4.
វានឹងជា
Imagine tomorrow itself wearing a name tag. 4.
យើងនឹងជា
See a whole team walking forward together. 4.
ពួកគេនឹងជា
Imagine a crowd with matching future badges. Friendly conclusion. You made it through the future tense without falling into a time portal, which is already a victory. Nicely done. Today you practiced I will be, you will be, he will be, she will be, it will be, we will be, and they will be in Khmer.
ខ្ញុំនឹងជា អ្នកនឹងជា អ្នកនឹងក្លាយជា គាត់នឹងជា នាងនឹងក្លាយជា វានឹងជា យើងនឹងជា
And.
ពួកគេនឹងជា
Thank you for learning with me. Keep practicing out loud, use these phrases in your own little future predictions, and come back soon for more Khmer. Your future Khmer will be excellent.